Hi guys, through this video I'll be telling you different ways through which you can earn online. Making money online would be an absolute dream come true if you could find a way to make money with an website or some other online venture that could quit their job to focus on entrepreneurship, spend more time with their family and finally take back control of their lives and their own time. Now here's the good news. The majority of online revenue strategies aren't that complicated like any business venture. Your online income takes time to grow. You need to be willing and devote the time and energy required for it. And you need grit to stick with it even if your journey is slow. You have to be patient. If you are angling to earn money online but aren't sure where to start, here are several of the best and the most realistic strategies. Let's say YouTube. YouTube is a huge platform that has made it possible for lots of people to earn money online. There are tons of YouTube channels out there on any topic you think of, and most of the people with a big following are earning some money in exchange for their videos and time. You can start making money via YouTube using the platform's own ad network or by getting sponsors posts if you like doing videos. Start a YouTube channel. That can be a fun way to earn some cash on the side. Another strategy could be to build an online community. Last but not least, you can also earn money by building an online community. Although the monetization strategies can pursue will vary a lot on depending upon your goals. You can build a community with a blog. For instance, you can also build an online forum and charge people for membership. You could even build up a Facebook group and use your influence there to sell and promote products. Also, thirdly, you can go for book sales. If you think you could write a book, people would want to buy that, and this is a smarter strategy to consider since the startup cost could be minimal and probably or you already have a computer and word processing software anyway. Another would be Google Ads. If you have visited any website and you have seen Google ads, ads are everywhere and for good reason. Not only are they easy to set up on any basic website, they can be lucrative. Once your website starts bringing in a steady amount of traffic, one of the coolest thing about Google AdSense is that it's so easy to set up. If you have a blog or website, you can sign up for a free Google AdSense account. From there, Google will give you a unique code that you will paste onto your website. Google takes it from there, tracking your page views, traffic, and earnings on your behalf. There is no keep up or maintenance to get this thing going, which makes it no brainer if you have a website already. Another way to earn online would be to pursue an online course. If you have any skills, you can teach others. It's also possible to set up an online course. You can market online. You can find online courses that teach anything from cooking to marketing or even freelancing. Even you can go for graphic designing, also painting, sketching. It could be anything. If you have any skill, it could be any. You can use it to teach others. You can develop an online course that can be a way to earn. Nextly, you can also use consulting to earn money. It's another way to make money online. If you are an expert in any field, you would potentially find people willing to pay you to counsel them on their personal or business goals. Just take an example to earn online and be if you know the ways and you can counsel the people to do to tell them the methods through which they can be able to do earning. You might think you're not important enough to consult for big companies, but you could be surprised at the types of expertise people will pay for. Nextly, podcasts can also give a good sum of money. Another way to make money online is by hosting an online podcast. The key to getting ahead with podcasting is find your niche, growing an audience, then finding ways to monetize and connect with sponsors. This is an easiest way to make money online since there are a lot of logistics that go into writing, recording, editing podcast, but it is still worth considering. If you think you have the talent to do so, you can go on. And nextly, there is a way to of lead sales to earn online by collecting leads. The main steps you need to complete to make lead sales work includes setting up a website, setting traffic to that website, and making sure you are collecting leads that someone will actually pay for. And and the most important, and everyone, almost everyone is doing around you, that's the freelance writing. Through freelance writing you can earn a lot. If you have writing skills, you have a creative talent, it's also possible to get paid to create online content. The key to make it as a freelancer writer is figuring out a niche, networking with people who might hire you, and delivering high quality content 100% of the time. While there is tons of writing jobs boards to help you get started, there are lots of writing sites where you can earn. You just have to register yourself, you have to take the test, and you can go on with the freelance writing. And also you can get sponsored posts. If you have a website or a large social media following, you can also make money by pursuing sponsored posts and ads. But how does this work? Basically, companies are willing to pay bloggers and social media influencers to promote their products and services. And if you think you have a platform with huge sum of followers, for example, if is a blog or a huge Instagram following, and you can cash in from there. Keep in mind though, you don't need a website to do sponsored content, since you can also get paid if you have a lot of social media followers. Nextly, affiliate marketing would be very facilitating. Whether you have a website or still dreaming up ideas for a blog, you can also look into affiliate marketing. With affiliate marketing, you're partner with brands and business within the content of your website. If you mention a product or service, you link to the product, produce or service using a unique affiliate code you received when you sign up for that particular affiliate program. From there, you will make money anytime someone buys a product or service through your link. And another way could be webinars. You can generate webinars. Need more ideas on how to make money? Another strategy is using webinars. Um, with a webinar, you're basically offering a lot of tips and advice for free in a live format. Though you pitch your paid product or service with the goal of securing a few deals, no matter what you are selling, it's not that hard to set up a webinar and attract people to sign up with a lead magnet or Facebook ads. Heck, you can probably find a free webinar on how to create your first webinar if you look real hard enough. These are few strategies that I have shared with you. By through these you will be able to earn online from your home, from the ease of your home. There is a ridiculous number of ways to make money online, and the ones I have covered here are just the tips of the iceberg. If you have time, passion for almost anything, at least some creative skills, you may be able to build an online income stream or several if you give it enough time.